first, like I'm an equal opportunist, right? And you know for damn sure if I'm going to give it to the ladies, I'm for damn sure going to give it to the men. Now listen, fellas, we got to get it together too as well, because these women are not speaking this in a vacuum, right? There are certain things that women want, just like there are certain things that men want as well. You feel me, right? So listen, guys. There's no other way for me to say this but to just to keep it real with you. Listen, in 2023, you buy a woman's submission. You buy that stuff, right? All the stuff about, you know what I'm saying, love and all this stuff, women are not trying to hear none of that bullshit no more. It's all about money. Listen, right? Now, you can be, and let me tell you why it's all about money, right? A woman will leave a good man in a heartbeat if he ain't got no money. True, like, ladies, keep it real. Stop capping. He's a good man, but he ain't got no money. Child, please, they leave it. So listen, guys, I'm trying to do you a favor. We need to eliminate anything that's going to keep a woman in her masculine frame. We need to make that woman soft, right? So that when she comes home, she ain't got no stress. You feel me, right? So, what am I saying? Guys, you got to get your money weight up, right? You've got to make sure that your wallet is fat. You got to make sure that you're a provider for that woman at all costs, at all times. Period.